Yep.
Hey guys, we're in, what's the name of the village I'm talking?
Bồ Canal.
Bow Canal. So this is our friend Barry and Tammy Jackson, Water's Life. He's a pilot for, I think, Delta, and they live in Phoenix, Arizona, and Montana. And they donated a lot, built a lot of wells. But Barry and Tammy, this is totally different from where we were in Siem Reap. All the wells are built up there. This is a totally different part of Cambodia. If you come around here, we've got a huge storm coming in.
Yep.
Hello guys, hello. Thank you. So this is a big well. This is like a $1,500 well.
Yep.
And so we basically got this done. The rain's about to come, but this is the house. You've kind of seen this before. These houses are very, very good, but it's so hot they kind of almost can't live in them, right, Mike?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
so they drag little hammocks and stuff underneath and sleep in most of the stuff under there. But this is the wet season. April is just the hottest time of the month. You can already see that a lot of these places already are growing rice again. But ask them right quick, how old is she?
គាត់សួរអាយុប៉ុន្មានហើយបង
អាយុ40ជាង
40 something
40 something.
yeah ហើយបងប្រុស
My grandmother was 40 something.
They're both 40 something yeah
My grandmother was 40 something her whole life. How many kids did they? Are they grandparents or just
មានកូនប៉ុន្មានដែរ
កូន2
two kids មានចៅនៅ
មាន
ចៅប៉ុន្មាន one grandkid
Okay.
yeah
How will this water well help their whole life?
គាត់ថាបានដងទឹកហ្នឹងមកជំនួយល្អអត់
ចាល្អ
helps a lot
Okay.
Yeah.
How many families can use this well?
ដងទឹកហ្នឹងជំនួយបានប៉ុន្មានគ្រួសារដែរ
បានច្រើនគ្រួសារដែរ
quite a few families about 5-6 family in total yeah
Good. Well, we'll get soaked here in Tammy. Thank you so much.
អរគុណច្រើនបាទបាទពេលភ្លៀងហើយ
Bye-bye.
bye